Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by confirming essentials. Both devices must be on the same Wi-Fi and signed into the same Apple ID. Next, open System Settings on the Mac and Settings on the iPhone to confirm updates. Out-of-date software breaks discovery. Once done, enable Bluetooth and handoff so the devices can advertise themselves. Now move to the Mac's Control Center and the iPhone's Control Center to begin discovery. That's the first actionable step. You now enable and tune AirPlay so the Mac shows up on the iPhone. On the Mac, go to System Settings, General, AirPlay, and Handoff, and set Allowed Connections to a permissive option. This makes the Mac discoverable. On the iPhone, open Control Center and choose Screen Mirroring. Wait for the Mac name to appear. If it doesn't, toggle AirPlay off then on, restart Bluetooth, and re-attempt. These steps reset the discovery broadcast without a full reboot. Finish by accepting the AirPlay prompt on the Mac and entering the numeric code shown on the iPhone if requested. This authorizes the session. Once connected, adjust display settings on the Mac for mirroring or extending. If the Mac never appears, reboot both devices, temporarily disable firewalls and VPNs, and ensure the router doesn't isolate clients. As a final troubleshooting tip, try a separate guest Wi-Fi to rule out network isolation. Often, that single change
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.